Hello everybody, I'm Shellie with JS Hobbies and Crafts, and I wanted to show you before I release the tutorial everything that I'm going to be using. Well, mostly. I don't have any flowers in here. I was looking for my poinsettia die and I can't locate it, so I'm not sure if I'm going to be die cutting poinsettias or using packaged flowers. For now, I'm just going to show you some base ingredients to what we'll be doing. And when the tutorial comes out, if there's any extras, then it'll be listed in the materials list. The first thing that you're going to want for the recipe carousel is my carousel kit. And what you're going to get in here is everything you pretty much need for the base to make the carousel. It's so simple, guys. Our casting shop puts this on our laser machine because it is such a large piece, and I wanted to make sure it was completely round, this chipboard, when it was cut out. So that is going to be in your kit. You'll also get 3 round discs that have a hole in it. And then you'll get one that doesn't have one. And then you'll get the dowel. And most importantly, you're going to get this really high quality turntable in there. And this turntable can take quite a bit of weight. We won't even be a fraction of the weight that it contains. But you can put metal embellishments on top of your carousel. Rest assured, it's still going to slide around on you. I decided to use the Cartabella Christmas paper. It has a lot of traditional colors in it. Very pretty. And that is what I'm going to be using for decorating with the paper. Along with this collection, you will see the chipboard accents and the chipboard phrases. I'm going to be dabbling in, grabbing a little from here and a little from there for this project. For my hinges and my pockets and everything, I am going to use the Coordinations Premium Cardstock Black Cat. It's a 65-pound weight, and I get 50 sheets in this value pack. So this is going to be quite fine, and it will work perfect for what I need it to. Alright, so recipe cards. If you already have recipe cards and they're already filled out, perfect. If you don't have any or don't want to buy any, I did get on the computer and just do some base little recipe cards, and it's a free download. And I'm going to be having this available before the tutorial comes out so you can start working on putting some of your recipes on the cards. What I ended up doing is using the back side on some of these that were just too long. I don't write small enough, I guess, and so I put it on the back side. And I'll be getting mine together. One quick thing that I kind of mentioned before in my last tutorial, showing you guys some of this, I will be laminating mine, and you don't have to. Most people don't laminate their recipe cards, but since I am messy in the kitchen and I splatter things, I thought it would be a good idea for me. I don't sell the laminating machine and I don't sell the laminating sheets. But if you are interested, if you have a laminating machine, perhaps you haven't used it yet, you don't know how to use it, or you're thinking about getting one, I will show in the tutorial quickly how to laminate. For the top, you don't have to have this. I don't even have that many in my store. It's a first come, first serve. But I'm going to try and implement this into my project, and I may even take some of the pieces off. Maybe. I don't know. If you go to my store, if you're looking for something like this, because this is baking goods and it goes on line with the recipe, if it's not there, look around. You'll see some other things that kind of blend in with baking and cooking, and you might find some pots and pans and whatnot. And remember, you can paint them, so whatever you want to do there. Score tape and glue. I'm going to use the 1/4 inch score tape for this project, and also the Art Glitter Dries Clear glue. I'll probably be putting a little bit of bling in there, here and there, so a lot of us already have that in our stash, but this is just so to get us started, get some of our main ingredient supplies together. The free download is located on my website, jshobbiesandcrafts.com. And just click on the tutorials tab and you will see coming soon, recipe carousel. there'll be a list of some of the stuff there and links on where to purchase that. But if you want to get started on getting these recipe cards going, that will be helpful. All right, see you guys real soon. Have a great Thanksgiving.